Oh shit. What's going on, YouTube? That's cringe. Yeah, that's my bad. That's cringe. Anyway, today you can see your boy's suited up. You know what I'm saying? We're looking dapper. We're looking fly. You know why? Oh shit, rhyme by the way. It's game show time. It's fucking game show time. I'm gonna make this short and sweet and get the rules to you. Each player is gonna have a squeaky toy strapped to the bottom of their foot, you know, so when they walk, they make a noise. There's gonna be one person standing in the middle, blindfolded with a belt. If you make a noise, you get slapped. Simple as that. You know, just try not to get hit. That's it, that's the game. And if you're wondering what the winner gets, they get, drumroll please, nothing. Fuck, I look like Mr. Beast, bro? Hell nah. They ain't getting money. Nah.
Subscribe to my YouTube.
Boring.
There's gonna be a link in bio. There's gonna be a subscribe here and a subscribe there.
Stop the cap.
Let's start now. Ow! Oh, my chicken fell off, cunt. Get away from me. It's my chicken. Oh, everyone go quiet, everyone go quiet.
That's fine.
Great. Put on time. Just 10.
Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What the fuck?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Behind you. Oh, it's time. Three steps forward, you got Deebs. 3 steps, you got Deebs. Run! I'm so lost right now, bro. Oh, we're together. Oh!
Great content.
Bro, why Deebs got crazy ass knees, bro? What's Deebs up to? Oh. What the fuck?
Hey, chill. Chill.
Look at the dirty shit.
Boy, it's nothing bad. Oh, it's look.
We got all the way. Oh, that's enough. That's enough. Oh, I just got 2 hits right there. Oh my god, what the fuck? You boys good? This is easy as fuck, bro. Oh my god. Oh, bastard. Push me, son. Oh, why am I getting pushed? Yeah, Henry, he's right in front of you.
Right in front, right in front. Big swing, big
Big
swing.
swing right in front of you. Oh.
Big swing.
Big Deebs right there. Up the gas, up the gas.
I'm the goat. I'm the fucking goat.
Whack it, whack it.
Time. Alright, big round from this man. Big round.
A round four, that's round four.
I'll wait 10 seconds.
What the fuck?
Nah, that's crazy.
No. Chill.
Go ham. Yeah, right there in front of you. Go! Ham on that! Ham on that! Ham!
Catch my Deebs!
5 seconds. Go ham. 3, 2, 1. Done. You're gonna hit me. Fuck.
Right there, right in front of you.
Right in front of you.
To your left, bro. Behind.
Chill the swing.
Hey, go lower, go lower. Hit by that.
Holy fuck.
Can't fucking hear.
Wait, take it after butchers. Oh! End the bit.